Hello YouTube, welcome to the very first unboxing video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we have this ML-20 Plantronics Bluetooth headset. We're going to see what's inside the box. So as you can see, this is a Plantronics headpiece ML-20 model. I'll show you all the sides of the box. Alright, and this is what the headpiece looks like. Okay, so let's look at what's inside the box. We'll take a look at the headpiece later. We'll just look at this, what's inside this small box. Okay, so you have the instruction manual in English, and you have some safety information booklet and some other other language instruction manual. Okay, ML-20. So I'll show you the English manual. So as you can see, according to this manual, you can fit the headpiece over your ear for a truly hands-free experience. So this is another language. Okay. Also inside the box, we have the power adapter to charge your headpiece. So you also have different adapters to fit whatever outlet you have. If you're living in Asia, in the United States, or in England, or wherever you are, this power adapter can fit all your sockets. And as you can see, the wires looks long enough, so you don't need to always be complaining of the short wire. Okay, now let's move forward to the headpiece in itself. This is Plantronics ML-20. So as you can see, let me just remove these for a clearer view. Okay. It's the back portion. Okay. The quality looks very nice. First impression is actually good quality make. And this is where you put your head piece over your ear. Okay. So the texture of this earpiece is a bit rubbery, so it will not easily slip. Okay. And this one has an in-ear design, so all the sounds will go directly to your ear. So this is the USB port where you need to charge your headpiece, and I think this is the power on and off. Okay, power on and off. Overall, the aesthetics is very nice. It looks very hip. It looks very nice, and you can use it when you are outdoor, formal, or wherever you are. It doesn't seem to look very obtrusive. Okay. So that's it for now for the unboxing video of ML-20. And stay tuned for the next video for a review on how this worked, on the sound quality, and on its on the phone compatibility. Okay, see you next time. Thank you.